What up, YouTube? My name is Jordan Lance, and welcome back to Supercar Jordan. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, even hit that bell. All right, guys, so today we're actually gonna go to Fantazy Motorsports. We're gonna get a GPS installed on the Kia Soul, freaking Speed Demon, and then we're gonna go to Fullblown and check out that Redeye, check out that badass back half, and see how crazy it is. So let's get to it. We've arrived at the monster. Look at this freaking Speed Demon right here. I would never drive this in my life, but actually it's really not that bad. I like it better than the Fiesta and the Jetta that I have, and definitely the smart cars. The smart cars are whack to drive, but all right, let's go. All right, y'all, we made it out here to Fantazy Motorsports. Kia Soul about to get some work done. My boy Galil over here with this fire-ass hellcat. Let's cruise in there. All right, out here at Fantazy Motorsports. The wrap color for the McLaren. It's already shipped in here. See if you can see it. Cool. It's like right between pink and orange, depending on how the light's hitting it, but I think it's gonna look absolutely insane. We were gonna do like a color change situation, but love this color so much. What do you think, George?
I think it'll look beautiful. You know, it's a perfect color.
No more color change, right? I think we gotta wrap the whole car this color.
You know, it's different for sure. I don't know. I think in a full color. You know, remind me of the original color of
the original color of the car is dark blue.
No, the original McLaren orange.
Oh, you're talking about this color reminds you of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a base and foundation.
Right. Well, orange is like their color, their logo color.
Yeah, but that's the McLaren color. Original, like the coloring is orange.
Right.
That's their signature color.
All right, y'all, made it out to Fullblown Performance. What's up, 30th and Western? What is this thing? Oh, it's just, is it lifted? Yeah. Or just no engine in it?
Yeah, no, it's lifted.
Oh, it is? What?
Can I get you in here? You might want to come around.
Who lifts a Challenger? We got the secret spot over here. Oh shit, there it is. That paint still looks okay.
Yeah, it looks good.
Probably got a few new scratches. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But
Only front ones?
yeah, whatever. For the drag strip anyway. Look at these motherfuckers. What is this? Wow.
Fucking massive, ain't it?
Crazy.
I'm gonna push this one back a little bit.
That's all right. I mean, if you want, yeah.
Yeah, we get some better footage.
Wow. That rear end is super tight. That's crazy. Got our Ver shocks here. Got the Ford rear end. What do you think? Does Escobar need it next or what?
Yeah.
He did a good job, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we'll find out on the first launch.
First launch, yeah.
If it snaps in half, then back to the drawing board.
Once we put the tranny in, then we're gonna have them come and measure the dry shaft.
Yeah, and then what are we gonna do about the mounts? Because Melvin was saying we don't have the TH400 mounts, right?
No, we're gonna have to get somebody to fabricate them.
Okay.
That's not a problem. Now we just like see.
Yeah, Melvin called me. He goes, your engine's way too small. Melvin, what are you talking about? We got a 426. He's like, yeah, bro, but you see the big wheels in the back? I don't know if it's gonna move them. Like, all right, well, maybe we try and hook first. That would be good. Let's hook. Let's get some passes down the strip, and then We can go bigger after that if we need to, right?
Yeah, no, but most of the ones are running here for running 426s. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm not trying to get too excited yet because, you know, it's been, shit, it's almost been 2 years.
That's crazy.
It's been 2 years. I can wait a little longer, you know.
That's nuts. And
So we get it right.
About their car being here for like fucking 2 months and shit.
Oh, yeah.
Like, dude, come on,
They
man.
don't know the struggle. Well, now my other car's been at Gintani for a year now.
That's crazy too. Remember when you bought that motherfucker?
Yeah, bro, I had it for like a month, and of course I had to do some crazy shit, and that's what I get. All right, we're gonna jump in this bad boy. Check it out. Oh fuck.
Okay.
Man, the cage is crazy. This guy doing all his advertising over here. Hey, if you want a back half, or maybe you just want a cage, maybe a 8.5 cage, or you could do a 4-link suspension. You don't have to do the whole back half, all that craziness like I did, but still got that carbon fiber steering wheel in there. Got a bunch of freaking engine parts over there. Let's see if I can get in here. That little skull's pretty sick. Man, there's actually not a lot of room in here. Cage goes all the way in. Wow. Oh, and there's a little bar. Can take out right there. Oh, that's cool, so you can get in easy. Nice. The window nets down here. Sweet. Man, I miss this car. I haven't seen this thing in ages. The old channel name right there. My favorite part is how the wheels look so tucked under there. Wheels and tires. He's got it really low in the back. We're gonna do a ton of adjusting up or down, but for now, looks nice. Got the laundry out the back. Woo-hoo. Check this thing out. Badass.
Yeah, man.
Or it's gonna be. Full-blown touch coming soon.
And then I think the most thing that's gonna be the craziest part is to be just running all the wiring and all that. But even if that, I mean, that's not a big thing. Just find out how all the sensors work. But I think it's kind of like plug and play.
Well, the Holly should kind of help.
Yeah.
With all that stuff too, right?
And he
Pretty customizable.
Yeah. And then from what I hear, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff you can do to it, dude.
What else can we do?
Like, no, I'm saying as far as traction control and stuff
really?
like that. Yeah.
That's what I really like, is that it'll control the traction.
You don't have to worry about it, you know?
Like, if the back right wheel is slipping, it can pull power just from that tire, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we need.
Yeah, it's going to have individual sensors going around, and then I think it's even going to have a speed sensor on the drive shaft, so it'll know how fast the drive shaft is spinning as well, too.
Oh, shit. That's cool. It's going to be one of one, man.
Yeah, it is. It already is.
It is, but it's sitting in the corner of the shop right now. It's all lonely, you know. It needs some friends. Yeah, so I mean, we're going Whipple 3.0.
Whipple 3.0.
And we're putting the nitrous lines in it too, right?
Yep.
426.
426.
TH400. Then we got to make our drive shaft. Back half's done.
The half back is done.
And anything else crazy? I mean, obviously some mounts we got to figure out, some wiring we got to figure out, but
I think I ordered you your shocks for the front.
15-inch conversion for the front.
Conversion in the front.
Oh, and shocks for the front, yeah.
We're going to do the same ones that we did on Escobar, the Santuf ones.
Okay. Oh, and then I know you were talking about putting chains to help it from doing wheelies.
From popping the wheelies. That I'm going to play with my car first.
Okay.
And then we're going to kind of transfer that. And that's coming up pretty soon on my car. Probably next couple of weeks I'll be testing that out.
Cool.
And then I'll be able to do it here. It's not something crazy, dude. It's just like figuring out what's going to be the perfect. And obviously we're going to have to adjust it with yours too, because power level, you know.
Be a little different. Yeah, a little different setup. But I appreciate you doing all the R&D for me.
Nah, no problem, man.
Escobar's just workhorsing for me.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be bad. I can't wait to, like, when me and you both pull up to a fucking meet, man. It's gonna be so much fun.
The plan is for us to be in Texas in January.
Okay.
So that's gonna be our first, I think, well, obviously we'll try to red list, but
Yeah.
if it's getting coming up pretty close, just as long as the parts keep on coming,
Right.
we'll be fine.
What about heads? The heads coming?
They've been ordered since March.
I know. But nothing yet, huh?
He said casting, they're being done, the casting's being done, so hopefully it all comes in at the same time. Bam, bam, bam. And it just get shit out. Dude. But
That'd be
yeah,
good, man.
hopefully we'll be out there testing this in Texas and.
So we'll go hang out with ZH in Texas then,
Yes, yes.
yeah? And then between AJ and ZH, we should be able to figure it out now.
Yep.
Those are the top of the Mopar game.
So I think it'd be a good calibration between both of them and us, and all of us put together. Yeah, I mean, you have the best of the best working on it. Really good karting.
Especially this guy over here. Best of the best. Go check him out, man. All right, brother. Well, I appreciate you. Thanks for showing me the beast.
You know it.
Next couple months,
It'll be grind time.
she'll be hopefully growling. Can't wait that first start.
That's gonna be nuts.
How are we gonna dyno it, by the way? Because we don't usually leave the drag tires on there, right?
No, but we'll have to figure it out.
We gotta get some Ford wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Because it's a different lug nut pattern.
What's up, man?
Well, maybe the Mopar one will work. Can you can fit Mopar on Ford? Maybe not this one though.
I don't know if this, yeah, I don't know if this, the 9-inch bolt pattern, because it is a lot wider. Look at the,
These are crazy looking, right?
yeah, look at these lug nuts. I mean, this is,
What the hell?
yeah. Some fucking,
These wheels are sick.
that badass.
All right, I'll miss you. See you soon.